This delicious snack, high in protein, low in carbs, high in fiber, is only 140 calories. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit the subscription button below. Turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I meal prep my favorite snacks while on intermittent fasting. I'm going to prepare 5 of them for each day of the week. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and also tell you all about the calories and fat and carbs that's in my favorite snacks. Let's get right into the video. So to prep my snack for the week, I have these 5 jars. 4 of them are recycled, and these are my honey jar that was store-bought, and that I believe was coconut oil. So I like to reuse these jars. So my first ingredient is 1% low-fat cottage cheese, and this I get at Walmart. This is half cup is a serving size, and that's only 80 calories. Then I have my blackberries. Next I have my blueberries and my raspberries. I'm adding nutmeg for flavoring and cinnamon powder as well. So I'm going to go ahead and take this half cup measuring cup and just scoop out and put a half cup in each container to start with. So I just kind of use this spatula to make sure, to even it off, to not get too much, and then I'm just going to put a half cup in each there. And if you're not watching your calories intake, you don't have to measure this, or even after you get a feel for how much you need, you don't need to measure it, because most of the time I don't measure it. I just have an idea as to how much a cup is. So cottage cheese are very good for you because they're rich in protein. 1 serving of this cottage cheese was 12 grams of protein, and you need your proteins because it helps you to stay full longer. It keeps you satisfied, and when you feel full longer, you won't keep eating and overeating. So that's one of the reasons why I use the cottage cheese, because it's high in protein. Cottage cheese is high in fatty acid, which increase the fat burning process in your body. So that's important if you're trying to lose weight. You want to get your low-fat dairy in. It also is good for burning belly fat. So this cottage cheese have 1 gram of fat per serving, 6 grams of carbs per serving, 4 grams of sugar per serving, 0 additional sugar. So all the sugar in this is all natural. 12 grams of protein, as I mentioned earlier. So this is a very high protein snack. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my scale to weigh my berries. I don't generally weigh my berries. I'm only doing it for the sake of the video because I know a handful of berries, each one is what I need. So I don't generally measure them. I'm just going in and setting up my scale, make sure I have it at 0 so that I can get an accurate measurement. So now I'm ready to measure my berries. So I'm doing blackberry, and I'm trying to get to 45 grams of blackberries. And so I'm just going to go in and add my blueberries. And I think I'm trying to get here to about 25 and as close as I can. So there we go, 24, that's perfect. And now on to measuring my raspberry. And I think that's good, right? That's good. So this is what everything looks like. So I'll know I need this full of berries. So let me first mention that I did wash all my berries from earlier and put them aside to be dry, because I don't want to add wet berries in the cottage cheese to add any more liquid unnecessarily to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and just pretty much eyeball the amount I need for each different berries. Just combine all 3 berries and then add them to each containers. And earlier you see it was not a very large amount of berries in either side, and it was their berries are low in calories, they're high in fibers, they have tons of vitamins and minerals, unlimited amount of nutrients, great for losing weight. If you're trying to lose weight, or you're just trying to maintain a healthier lifestyle, you want to incorporate berries in your meals as much as possible. I have berries in my snacks, and I have berries in my breakfast most morning. So and if you're not looking to lose weight, it's, like I said, it's great for overall health. It's good for heart health. It's good overall. The 45 grams of blackberry that we have is less than 20 calories. So as you can see, it wasn't a lot, but it's still a little bit of calories. So that's 20 calories. The 24 grams of blueberries is about 15 calories. Again, not a lot of berries, but also not a lot of calories. And remember, this is a snack. The 44 grams of raspberry is about 25 grams of carbs, making this entire delicious snacks 140 calories. That's for a delicious snack, for something that's going to keep you full for a very long time. I think that's a great snack. That's not a lot of calories. Even if you're trying to lose weight, or you're monitoring your calories, that's something you can eat without worrying about too much calories intake. And there's really no calories in the nutmeg and cinnamon that I'm adding to these delicious snacks. In addition to giving it great flavors, the cinnamon increases your immune system function. It improves your blood circulation, and it detoxifies your body and boosts skin health. The cinnamon that I'm adding to this helps your body to fight against infection. It repairs damaged tissue. It reduces the risk of heart disease like cholesterol and blood pressure. And I happen to have both high cholesterol and high blood pressure, so I'm constantly looking for ways to lower those. And look at this. This is beautiful. I think anyone would want to try these snacks. They look gorgeous. I do this sometimes on a Sunday, and keep it for a whole week in the refrigerator, and it holds up pretty good. So you don't have to worry about it going bad too quick. So that's how I prepare my favorite snack for the week. I'm just going to take one of those, put with my lunch, and that will be my snack for this week. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye.